my big thing would be check with yourself and find out if you have any blocks or negative programming about it. So if you have a lot of terrors because you always hear about all these things or people are scared of it or blah, 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 you would want to know if you have that in your head and you'd want to take it out first. Like if you believe that this can happen or that can happen or this is that or this is scary or any of that stuff, I would go see a really good hypnotherapist and change your programming. Because actually a master hypnotist could help you change your programming too, because you don't want all that negative stuff in there, because our programs create our reality. Like our thoughts are creative, and that's what we're doing, is we're thinking all the time. And whatever's in our subconscious mind, like the little fact part of us that keeps everything in place and keeps everything going the way it's supposed to be going, all those beliefs that we have in there, whether they are true or untrue, are going to keep playing and become our reality, show up eventually in our physical reality. So if I was going to talk to spirits, I would check and make sure that I have all my programs, all of my inner thoughts in alignment with what I want to do and who I am. And I would tell you to be very aware of what spirits and what type of spirits and from where that you're talking to.